Manipur Top Channel digi video amta update tawjage ngasi nungthin fongbasi fongda December gi tang kungani panda India gi Republic Constitution of India asi India gi territory manungda ta operate tawgadabani haina Manipur gi CM exile government na India gi PM da fongdokre Samarjit India ki Republic Constitution of India ki territory manung data operate tawgadabani haina Chief Minister of Manipur exile government na India ki Prime Minister da fongdokre haina Government of Exile Manipur State Council ki Foreign Affairs and Defense Minister Narengbam Samarjit na London dagi thadorake besarol na hairi Serol asina makata na hai British ki colony oiramba India amasung Pakistan semle India state singna Instrument of Accession sign tauraga Dominion of India da kumza English mga samapan nifuga taret ki August 15 gi matungda asset tawba yare asset tawriba asi Dominion ni adubu kumza English mga samapan yangkai gi January gi kunga taruk ki matungda di Union of India haire maramdi Dominion asi state oire Dominion asina kumza English mga samapan yangkai gi January gi kunga taruk ki matungda gi state oibaga loinana Union of India haire Princely State singna India da join tawba natte state ta asset tawbani haibadi group of sovereign state semani aduna union haibani union asi political body amani aduga state of the union haibadi yai maram asina asset tawruba state sing asi India gi territory ama oiba natte princely state ki external sovereignty asi state ta share tawbani haibadi external sovereignty can share with other state but internal sovereignty cannot share Princely share sahumuk asi state ta asset tawraba matungda union oire maram asina India asi state amani aduga union amani hairibani Princely state singna instrument of accession executive tawraga union da yawraba matungda India gi territory natte oide haina India Provincial Constitution Order 1947 section 2193 da mayek sengna iriba asine aduga Ascending state oina laigani hairiba asine kumza English mga samapan yangkai gi January gi kunga mari gi mamangda Princely state amadi ascending state amata India da measure tawba yade haiba section 2193 asina phongdokli Sairol asina makhata na hai India gi constitution asi Constitution of India hairiba asigi maramdi India masagi territory manungda operate tawgadaba oibagine adu natrabadi Constitution of the Union of India haigadabane America ki constitution asi Constitution of the United States of America hairiba asi United States yangkai gi manungda operate tawbana hairibane India gi Republic Constitution of India asi aranbana pik thalaba constitution ni ahanbada article amada iriba name of the union asimak lale state amagi union amagi Beles amagi maming laigadabane union asi political union amani article 1 of 1 da iriba India that is Bharat shall be a union of state hairiba asilale India that is Bharat shall be a union of India haigadabane adu natrabadi union gi maming ama laitre aduga article 300 of 1 hairi madudi the government of India may suit or be suit the name of the Union of India masida Union of States haidriba asine article 370 asi India gi constitution da hapagi maram sade laite aduga masi lauthokrabasu article 245 up to 245 asi Union and State legislative relation ki part ni aduga administrative relations ki part ta article 256 aduga 257 ta yauri maram asina Union amaga state ka mari lainanaba adum yauri Constitution of India gi aranba kayamuk lairibasi mathang lebak miyam da thamjage amadi India gi asoiba mayam asi miyam punna khangminabagi tanfam adu oirakle mathangda basic structure of the Constitution of India thamjage hainasu mahanam khatana